Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Ads, so sign in and go straight to campaigns. First, pick the campaign you want to change. This focuses your edits. Once selected, confirm billing is active and that you have edit permissions, otherwise changes won't apply. Now click the budget cell shown in the campaign table. This reveals the budget editor. Make sure to note the current daily amount so you can compare performance after changes. Now you're in the budget editor. Choose between a single daily budget or a shared budget across campaigns because this affects pacing and delivery. Then type the new amount. Small, measurable changes like plus 20% help you assess impact. Remember to review your bidding strategy. Automated bids versus manual CPC can amplify budget changes. Once you set the number, add a short note on why you adjusted it, then click Save to apply the update. After saving, confirm the new budget appears in the campaign table and look for any alerts and notifications. Monitoring matters. Check performance metrics over 3 to 7 days to see click-through rate, cost per acquisition, and conversion trends. This tells you why the change worked or didn't. If the budget didn't update, check account daily limits, invoice holds, or policy flags. Resolving those will allow changes to take effect. If needed, revert or adjust gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.